Hi, I'm Robert Lisac, and today I want to show you how to make a slingshot without power tools. This channel is all about being safe, fit and prepared like a modern day samurai. In order to make a slingshot, I need a V-shaped branch. It seems like I have found the right branch for my slingshot. And it's beautiful, so cool. Wow. So this is a small saw, small but beautiful and very useful. The first thing I want to do now is to remove the bark here, and there is a very specific technique you can use, and this is that you don't want to remove the bark like this because you will cut into the wood. This is not what you want to do. You can remove the bark easily just by putting the knife vertically to the surface like this here. So it has to be like this, and then you just push a little bit downwards and away, and the bark will be removed. And what I really like here is that my grandfather used to make slingshots for me, and also my father, and now I'm making them for my daughter and my nephew, and the family tradition lives on. Not bad. Now I will cut off these edges here because this is the place where the rubber bands are going over, and if there is a sharp edge, the rubber bands are getting damaged. So this has to be curvy here. Underneath this curvy part you want to make a notch because this is where you tie the rubber band. If you want to have a fancy slingshot, then you can use also a piece of sandpaper and make it a little bit nicer. For the pouch I will take a part of a very old belt of mine because it's too long, and I will just cut off this short piece here. You can also use the back part of your old shoes, leather part, this one here, and cut it out and then make a pouch out of it. Now I will make some holes here and one here to attach the rubber bands. So the only thing that is missing now are the rubber bands. I will cut it in half and use it as rubber bands for my slingshot. Now I will attach the rubber bands to the slingshot like this here, and the band will go like this. Now I will bend this part here backwards and go over it with my cord so it will hold for sure, like this here. Wow, perfect. Just make a knot here and that's it then. And now repeat the whole thing on the other side. Now the same thing on the other side. You have to squeeze the rubber band and make a spaghetti out of it and push it through here. Come on, come on, it's late in the evening. Here it is. Perfect. Very good. Now, as you see on this side it's twisted, I have to align it or untwist it like this here. Now it's quite okay. Now we have to tie these two parts on each side together. Yay! And the other side, too. This slingshot will be for my nephew, and it looks like this here. This is the pouch, and this is where you put the stone in. If you want to know how to make a simple and easy survival bow, check out my end screen. And if you want to be a modern day samurai, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye. So this slingshot will be for my nephew, and it looks like this here.